B.
A.
A.
Say A.
A.
This is Mama A because it
Mama
is big.
A. Mama
Where
A.
is it's baby A? Where is it here? Can you find the baby A? Can you find the baby A? Baby A. Mama A finds its baby A. Where is it? Where is it, baby?
Ba't hinanap mo sa ilalim?
Oh, it's here lang. Where is it? Where's its baby? Baby is crying na. Where is it, baby A? You never find baby A. You're all here. You're gonna find here. Where is it here? The baby A. Where is it?
Matching the letter. Matching the
lang,
letter.
you match lang. You
Baby
compare
A.
lang.
B. B. B.
Yeah, this is A.
Baby.
Where is it? Yeah. And the baby A, where is it? Where is it here? Where's it here? It's just here. It's like, is it baby A? How about this one? Here lang, here. You're gonna find it here. These are bigger ones. These are the mama letters. What is what is the baby of G? The baby G. This is mommy G.
Mommy G.
Where is it's baby G. Very good. Oh, can you find your favorite crayons here? Oh, you're gonna use these crayons. Yeah, just that. And then from Mama G.
Ito B.
Okay. Then
Ito kayo.
yeah. These are color purple. Yeah. Is it here up here? Look this up. Baby G, where is it? Baby G, gonna put a line. Very good. Oh, how about this one? Mama F, where is its baby? Very good. Oh, you find another crayon. You use another crayon. Sige, you use red. Red. That is color red, yeah. Oh, here. F, where is its baby? You find the baby. Very good. Very good. Oh, how about... Yeah. It crossed out na, no? How about this one? Mama E, where is it? The baby. Where is its baby? Baby E. The baby E. Mama E, look for his baby. Where's baby E here? Where is baby E? No, this is a number 7. Where is it? It's baby muna. You point out. Here. You point. Here. Where is it here? Is it baby E?
Yes.
Is it baby E?
No.
This is baby
Yes.
E. Oh, sige. You put Mama E from Mama E to baby. Oh, go. Go. There we go. Yun. He finds his baby na. How about this one? Letter D. Baby D. Mama D finds. Look for his baby D. Here lang, here. Find it here. Is it baby D?
No.
Are you
Yes.
sure? Oh, yun. Mama D finds his baby D. How about this one? Mama B.
Mama B.
Where is it? Where is it here?
B.
Where is it here?
I
Oh,
don't
you find
blue.
Oh, yeah, okay. Use color blue. Oh, where is it here?
Mama. Mama B. Mama. Where is it, Mama? Where are you, Mama? Ito.
Are you sure? Is this the baby B?
Yes.
Is it this or not?
This.
Is this letter B or
Oh,
this baby B? Yeah. Are you sure?
yes. Baby B.
Baby B here. Baby B. Oh, you put baby B. You draw a line to baby B. Okay, how about this one?
Mama. I found you.
How about this one? See, where it's baby. Very good, very good. Sige, you put a line from Mama C to baby C. Go. And the last one,
Is B.
A. Mama A.
Mama.
Looks for his
Mommy.
baby A. Where is it?
Baby.
baby. Oh, you complete the letters now. Very good.